am Nina. Welcome to Nina's Thai Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to cook one of my favorite dishes. This dish is very special to me because it always brings back my happy childhood memory. And this dish is chicken satay with peanut sauce. When I was 10, my family was poor. Whenever my dad had extra money, he would buy 200 skewers of chicken satay. 7 kids and parents, 9 of us would sit on the floor, enjoy eating chicken satay together. It was a happy family time. Now I live in California. Of course, I still love chicken satay and still cook it. Luckily that I can find all ingredients in a Asian grocery store, Branch 99 nearby my house. For this dish, I got chicken breast, red curry paste, coconut milk, peanut butter, palm sugar, and always get some fresh vegetable and herbs. And today, I'm very happy to share with you the recipe that it would taste exactly like Thailand and you can cook it at home. First, we're going to prepare chicken marinade. Mixing all the dry ingredients together first, and then add vegetable oil, coconut milk, and then palm sugar or regular sugar. Mix it well together into one texture. Next, we're going to slice chicken into strips. The most important is the thickness. Keep it consistent. It's about 1/4 of an inch. Add chicken in the marinade sauce and massage it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then we're going to store it in the refrigerator at least 3 hours. Overnight would be the best. While we are waiting for the chicken, we're going to make simple and delicious peanut sauce. Ingredients are cooking oil, red curry paste, peanut butter, salt, crushed roasted peanut, tamarind sauce or vinegar, palm sugar, and coconut milk. For the coconut milk, I use the smallest can, 5.6 ounce, which is perfect for this recipe. Let's cook peanut sauce. At medium heat, add cooking oil and red curry paste. Stir for a while and then add all of the ingredients. Stir to mix it well together until it's cooked. It should take about 2 to 3 minutes. The texture is supposed to be creamy and runny. You have an option to add roasted sesame seed, or for those who love spicy, you can easily add sriracha sauce. Cooking method 1. Grill. First, we need to thread chicken slices onto skewers. Soak bamboo skewers in water for at least 30 minutes so that when you grill it, it won't get burnt. For those who don't want to deal with this step, I will show you later on how to cook it without the skewers by air fryer and oven. Time to grill. I normally cover part of the grill with the aluminum foil and oil the grill. At medium heat, place chicken on the grill and make sure that you have the bamboo skewers side on the aluminum foil so that they won't get burnt. Baste both sides of chicken with a mixture of 2 tablespoons coconut milk and a pinch of turmeric. It's done. It looks very juicy and tender. You will love it. Method 2. Cooking chicken satay by air fryer without bamboo skewers. This method becomes to be my favorite because it's fast, easy, simple, and delicious. Air fry 4 minutes each side of the chicken at 400 Fahrenheit. Method 3. Cooking chicken satay with an oven. No bamboo skewers. Preheat the oven to broil and cook it 4 minutes each side. After the first 4 minutes, take it out, flip it over, and cook it another 4 minutes. It's done. It looks delicious. Let's make cucumber salad. Starting from sugar, salt, vinegar. Microwave it for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, stir to mix it well and let it cool down. Now we're going to slice cucumber. We don't want it to be too thin because it's going to be soft. We add onion and jalapeno or chili. Mix it well together with the sauce and leave it about 5 minutes, and that's all. It's ready to be served. This cucumber salad also good with any spicy dishes. Let's eat. Here is chicken satay on skewers. And this one chicken satay without skewers. Both of them are delicious. Chicken satay is normally served with peanut sauce, cucumber salad, and toast. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.